Got 3 tactics for a smooth home sale and happy buyers. After helping many buyers navigate their journey to homeownership, I've learned a thing or two. Today I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can do as a seller to set the buyer up for success and turn a smooth home sale. I'm Annette Marble. I'm with Key Realty. First, put together a home menu. Buyers want to know everything about the home, the age of the mechanicals, the appliances, how they work, recent updates, etc. Why not give it to them in advance to avoid multiple questions? Here's what to include. Put in your those appliance manuals that you've been had hanging around, your home warranties, your warranties for all the appliances, your smart home tech, how-to list of updates and home maintenance. Example, last time you had the HVAC service, what is the age of the mechanicals, the roof, and the appliances? Share with them a list of your vendors. Who do you use for your landscaping, your HVAC, your handyman, your plumber, anything that your home has that you use somebody else for. This is helpful for the buyers. If you have a hot tub, a pool, lots of landscaping, and etc., these are super helpful to the buyers to know who your go-to people are in the area and helps establish trust with the buyers so they feel confident in their decision in buying your home without buyer's remorse. Add your local favorite restaurants, walkable spots from the house, neighborhood features, favorite parks, picnic spots, favorite things to do with the kids, and favorite neighborhood activities like holiday parties, cookies, bake sales, garage sales. This will showcase a lifestyle not just for the house data, but for them. If this is the first time to this channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad of living in and around Columbus, Ohio, then please subscribe to this channel. Tap that bell for notifications so that you will be the first to know about the current market situation in Columbus, Ohio. Like my videos and give me a thumbs up or hit that button. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Columbus, Ohio, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're planning on moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move into Columbus or any of the suburbs in Central Ohio. We are your go-to team for real estate to help. And we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.